Okay, so I just completed an oil change, or I should say I've put in the 8.5 quarts. I'm gonna take an oil measurement in a little bit. It's telling me right now the oil level information is not available. The last time I had to put in about 9.3 quarts, but nonetheless I'm using my ICarSoft version 2.0, POR version 2.0 to do a oil service reset. This is my first time using this tool for this, so you're gonna get to see me use it for the first time. So here goes nothing. I put it on service here, hit enter, do oil reset. It's already there. It's already selected for Porsche. I don't know what to do here. I'm gonna go with this version, the first one. Seems like that would be the latest version. It's loading. Smart scan, manual scan. Let's do smart scan, see what happens. Ignition is on, F2 OK. Communicating, please wait. We'll scroll down to 991, so it gives us a choice here of a few different vehicles. I'm going to go to 991, hit enter, turn ignition off, F2 OK. Initializing, please wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oil service. It's already there. Hit enter. Turn ignition on. Let's make sure I don't pull on the cord there. F2 OK. Enter the current date. Today is, I believe it's March 27th. Let me double check. Yeah, March 27th. So let's see. Input the current date. So the way they do it here is they put the year first, and then the month, and then the date. So I'm going to do the same thing. 2022 March. Hope you're all seeing this okay. Enter. Oh wait, no, let me back up F1 because I want to do 03 for March. So 03 27 2022 March 27th, F2 for finish. Communicating, please wait. Application complete, F2 OK. And I guess that completes the oil service reset. So I'm not sure, I'll have to look to see what all these other things are, but anyway, so that's how you do it. I'm going to take the car for a spin and see if I can get the oil measurement reading. Right now it's still saying oil level information currently unavailable, but to be continued. Thanks for watching. See you soon.